The next question that came in was from actually a gentleman in Fort Myers, and he said, I saw your latest newsletter, and consumer defense is one of your areas of practice. What exactly is a consumer defense attorney? Again, this is the type of things that we as consumer protection attorneys, and I call us that because we help individuals. We don't have clients who are businesses. We represent people. We sue businesses, we sue insurance companies, we sue mortgage companies, we sue credit card companies, and we sue debt collectors. But we're suing on behalf of the individuals. I mean, ultimately, I just said something wrong and I shouldn't have said that. We sue people to get out the insurance company. So in a car accident case, let's say I get rear-ended by Sally Mae. Student loan people, I like that. Sally Mae hits me. I have to sue Sally Mae, but I don't really want Sally Mae. I don't want to disrupt her life. But the law says I have to sue her. Her insurance company is going to hire a lawyer to defend her and to indemnify her if there's going to be a settlement made or it goes to a jury trial and the jury says, hey, Sally Mae, you owe Carmen $5 billion. Well, the insurance company's on the hook for that because they indemnify her. They step into her shoes and they have to pay that claim. So that's really interesting. Well, that goes beyond. There's a whole side of personal injury law that we should get in onto the show one day. I guess we could spend a whole day talking about that, not just 30 minutes. But really, consumer defense. When I say consumers, I want to talk about consumers, meaning the individuals, individual homeowners, an individual against his credit card company, an individual against a debt collector, an individual making a claim against an insurance company is a consumer. They buy insurance products, and they may have to make a claim against the insurance one day. A company or a person buys a home, they have a mortgage. Well, we all know that mortgage companies haven't really played fairly lately. They've been fast and loose with the rules. They didn't know how to write mortgages. Then they didn't know how to service mortgages. Then they didn't know how to foreclose. But now we're trusting them again to modify mortgages. Guess what, guys? I'm thinking they're going to screw this up too. Just saying. I'm not a pessimist. I'm an optimist. Glass is half full. I look at it this way. You got better odds in Vegas of getting a mortgage modification than you do working with some of these mortgage servicers and banks. You know which ones I'm talking about. So anyway, hopefully for that gentleman in Fort Myers, the consumer defense is anything where a consumer is being pitted up against an organization or a company that they do business with. That's what I believe is consumer defense. When I say I'm a consumer protection attorney, I'm helping out the individual against the big corporation, the David and Goliath situation. And the reason why I like what I do is because I have the ability to help out the little guy against the big mammoth corporation. You know, you don't sue City Hall. Well, I learned a long time ago that guess what? Big corporations can be sued, they should be sued, and if they all did business correctly and if they help people, they wouldn't get sued. But such is life.